In this DL4 Mark II quick tip, we'll be showing how to connect and set up external foot switches for additional control. One latching foot switch can be used to toggle DL4 Mark II's Footswitch 5 options, whereas two foot switches can toggle both Footswitch 5 and Footswitch 6 selectable options. When using a dual external foot switch, you will need a tip ring sleeve cable. When using a single external foot switch, a standard 1/4 inch tip sleeve cable will work just fine. If using two single foot switches, you'll need to connect each 1/4 inch tip sleeve cable to a TRS splitter. For this example, we will be using the TT2 dual foot switch from Mission Engineering, although most any other latching foot switches will work. With our external foot switches connected to DL4 Mark II's expression pedal input, we'll have to configure our external foot switches in DL4 Mark II's global settings. By default, the expression pedal input is set for the use of an expression pedal, so we'll have to tell DL4 Mark II that we're using foot switches. To access DL4 Mark II's global settings, press and hold the Alt Legacy button, then press the tap foot switch, then release both. Referencing the global settings table found in the owner's manual, selecting specific delay models gives access to each global setting. Turn the model selector to the ADT delay model, which gives us access to the pedal jack functionality global setting. The Alt Legacy button's LED color is an important indicator for referencing your selected option. With pedal jack functionality selected, the default ring color is red. Referencing the global settings table, we see that red indicates that the pedal jack functionality is set for expression pedal only. Several options are available, such as single foot switch, expression pedal plus 1 foot switch, and the option we want to select, 2 foot switches. To select this option, press the Alt Legacy button until its color changes to orange. Now that we've configured our external foot switches, let's look at the available options for external foot switch control. Looking at the global settings table, using the selector knob to select the Euclidean delay model gives access to the Footswitch 5 global setting. We see that the default setting for Footswitch 5 is expression toggle. This option makes Footswitch 5 behave like an expression pedal's heel and toe positions, where we can toggle a single parameter's minimum and maximum value. Footswitch 6 can also be set to this function to have up to 2 parameters controlled via expression toggle. Scrolling down to the Footswitch 6 assignment, selecting the dual delay model gives access to the Footswitch 6 global setting. Its default setting is squeal, which sets the delay's repeats parameter to 100%, allowing you to get the infinite delay repeats on demand. Releasing the foot switch returns the repeats parameter to its previous setting. Footswitch 5 and 6 functions can also be adjusted for tap tempo or looper on-off. That's it for this DL4 Mark II quick tip. If you would like to learn more about DL4 Mark II, please visit line6.com or subscribe to our YouTube channels for more in-depth videos.